everyone, hope you're doing very well. Let's open our science book and we are going to learn something new about our science. Let's start from page 368. Well, look at our title. It says cool, it's freezing. Well, first of all, we know that the meaning of freezing means very cold. Guys, when matter cools, it loses energy. How does cooling affect water? Well, let's see. It says all the pictures show water at a temperature lower than 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. How do we know this? Well, if liquid water cools to that temperature, it freezes. Below that temperature, water exists as a solid ice. Freezing is the change of a state from a liquid to a solid. Look at this picture and look at this picture. The question is, how would this igloo be different if its temperature was 10 degrees Celsius? Our answer is the ice would be liquid water. This igloo house is now solid and it's ice because the temperature is lower than 0 degree. But if it turns to 10 degree, the ice would be liquid water. And this picture, how can you tell that the temperature of the snow is below 0 degrees Celsius? Well, our answer could be snowflakes are a form of frozen water. In this case, we can understand that the snow is below 0 degrees Celsius. Check these questions. How can water in the liquid state change to water in the solid state? Answer is, when temperature gets lower, it turns to solid. Next question. How cold must water become before it changes to ice? At 0 degree, it turns to solid as an ice. 0 and below 0, the water turns to ice. Look at this picture at next page. It says hail is water that falls to earth as small balls of ice. Guys, have you ever heard of hailstorm? Which is a kind of icy snowballs which are round and big, and as a matter of fact that could be in different sizes. And this is a type of water that falls to earth as small balls of snow. And this snowball holds together because the water in it is frozen into a solid. This snowball holds together because the water in it is frozen into a solid. And this girl is skating on ice. This girl can skate on ice because ice is a solid. If you turn this solid ice to liquid water, the girl will fall down and goes into the water. This question comes up. What was used to make the igloo? The question is, what was used to make the igloo? Alright, the ingredients of igloo is the igloo was made up of snow, of ice. And what could you infer about the temperature of the air around the igloo? It must be cold enough that ice does not melt. Let's read the question again. What can you infer about the temperature of the air around the igloo? Around the igloo, it must be cold enough that the ice doesn't melt. Let's do our math. Solve a story problem. The temperature of a puddle of water is 10 degrees Celsius. The water cools by 2 degrees every hour. In how many hours will the puddle of water begin to freeze? Explain how you got your answer. We can answer this question by water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. And it will take 5 hours for the temperature to fall by 10 degrees. So the puddle will begin to freeze in 5 hours. Thank you so much for watching this, guys.